Hello everyone, I am walking down going to our deep well because today there are some people here who are going to dig the well in there so we can have some water, because some people said that there are some deep well here in our area. They don't have much water also due to the heavy drought. And we have people here working on our well, especially right now. It has a heavy drought. It's been a few weeks, no rain, but good thing yesterday it was raining for about few minutes only. That's why look at the plants here and the grasses, they are all brown mostly. So let's get here. We let him dig again our deep well so the water can get in. So there's someone there digging and clearing the area.
Bisa paldi apa ya, Beb?
Daghang gyud diri na hubsan no, og tubig.
Dito dapit sa mga tub, mga tabay, wala is tubod.
Asa man dapit diri?
Ito sa Purok 3.
Nagpakaut na pod sila.
Oo, bangi ko ay. Pahin kaut pa na po.
Pahinloan.
Lahang aning lihi dira ah. Ikaw ta po ukro. Sa sentro.
Yeah, they said a lot of deep well here has no water. So some of them let them dig again the well and clean it up. May gani kanina jud no itubig pero di yun camera man gud po nagamit. We still have some water in our deep well, but there are times the water is very low.
Diri dapit. Na.
Gagasak ng tubig.
Okay, kuan man siya na bang nakuha ka tong mga kuan.
Ali. They just come back from lunch. They're going to clean it up now. They dug the well this morning. Now they're going to do the clearing. Clearing na lang ni, clearing. They're the one who dig our deep well before. Wow, a lot of water now. They're just cleaning inside the well now.
Sa mana kano na balihon pag buwan na. O ipasoyo. Balihon na lang kay basta maato dito tulog.
Then after cleaning that part, they take out the water in there. Cut the water after they clean the inside. It's quite so dirty.
Ay, bukas na si Tatay Nuno.
I let our worker to put some cover on this holder where we put the pipe, because the frog might get inside the deep well. So for digging the deep well and cleaning it up, it costs around 1,500 for 3 people. But good thing now the water is getting stronger coming in. So I guess that is for today's video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe into my YouTube channel. Do like, comment, and share. Thank you all.